ni GCash account, mabalin tayo maka-withdraw ayan ti ATM ti RCBC, gamit lang ati phone nyo, awan iti gamit yung ATM. So, dato isurok. Okay, let's go. Tara.
Here we go.
Money, money, making crap for money, money.
Hi guys, at dati na break from RCBC to GCash. Then GCash to RCBC. Mabaling ka nga withdraw i RCBC without your ATM, gamit lang iti phone. So isurok kanyayo RCBC nag-collaborate from GCash. So ni GCash account, mabalin tayo maka-withdraw ayan ti ATM ti RCBC, gamit lang ati phone nyo, awan iti gamit yung ATM. So dato isurok. Okay, let's go. Tara. Guys, at dati nakita tayong RCBC ATM. So i-try tayo. 188 awan ti ATM card ko, just my phone and the ATM machine. So tara, let's go. So guys, eto na. Dato yan ag-withdraw tayo through my phone. Awan iti ATM card ko. So let's proceed. Diyan generate QR code. So tara. So try tayo nga withdraw through this my phone lang. Okay. Cash QR, cash withdrawal. So cash. So do you want to receipt? Yes. Receipt? Yes. So scan. So scan. Place your phone here to scan here. So ayan, confirm natin, reference number, confirm. So transaction being processed, yan po for banknet. So ayan, nakapag-withdraw tayo. Walang card, just my phone, through the partnership of GCash and then RCBC. So ganun lang po kadali. Then 18 pesos lang yung bawas niya. So sa 3,000, so makakatipid na rin kayo. Just my phone, eto, using GCash account with the partnership of RCBC and GCash. Thank you very much, RCBC and GCash. Thank you very much. Guys, i-explain ko tapta day next video no kasano ka na aramid ayan ti nag-withdraw ako without a ATM through my gamit ko lang ato phone. So see you on the next video. I-explain ko. Okay, bye-bye.